Yeah, good day, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our shopping plaza that we were working on in the last episode, these are the things we were able to create and get all this thing in place. So remember, we are just only creating the plan for now. We've not done with the some of the components. So in this tutorial, we want to create first floor plan. This is the ground floor plan that we have. These are the things that are here. So we're going to develop them as the time goes on. But for let's quickly get to design what is on the first floor so that we work on that and proceed from there to get another things right. So what I do here is that I want to demarcate this place to designate the space. So what I start with, I will say, but before then, let me quickly do something. So let me go to elevation because I want to understand the height of this whole building and so that I'll be able to correct them and focus. So the standard height for shopping mall, public shopping is going to be higher than because of the ACs and every other thing that's coming from there. So I'm going to get 2,000, 3,500 as a normal height. So that is the height that I'm going to use to create. So everything is going to be attached to this one. So I will do that when the time comes to fix all these things in the right proportion. So let me quickly go to, before I start, well, by the time I'm doing the elevation, everything is going to be in the right corner. So now what I do is that I click on wall. So the wall now, instead of me having this one, so I'm going to get a normal wall that I've been using, so which is this particular one. So I will change the height to 3,500. So I've never created another floor, another height of this because I just want to finish this floor because I will move to another thing. So what I do here is that I will start demarcating those things. So I'm starting with this one from here, put this one here in order. So I'll still maintain the complete openness of this. So I'm going to do it this way. So I'm going to cut this one. I'll put it here to this point. Good. So I'm going to return it here this time around, and I close it up. Okay. So the next thing, I start from here. I should have brought the one below, but because I just want I'm not going to do the same exact as I have it below at the top. So I'm going to do this one, and I'm stopping this one here. So I will click it and I will find it. Good. So I will align the one that I have issue. So let me just align this one. So I'll do the same thing here, creating the same architecture wall. So I'm still working on that. So I'm going to do the same thing here as well. Good. So to this point, I will do it to this point, because there's something I want to do different from a few other one. So this one is a different type. So now I will follow the same thing that are here. So I'm going to click here. So I will click here as well. So while I move this one to this level, then I align this one to meet up with this. Okay, but I'm not going to let it be to take a total control of that. So now what am I doing here? I have done this one in place, so I'm going to rectify this by saying, so I'm going to divide this part into two. So it's coming here to meet up at this level. So I'm going to do this one like this, then come here at this place, then you link them together. Okay, so this one is going to be deck at the upper floor, then a little bit some of these things is going to be happening here. So we get there while we are doing that. So now we divide the remaining shops. So it's going to be like shop here. Let's escape, sorry. So it's going to be like shop here to here, shops here and here, then shops here again, then you have it here. Good. So what I need, I still maintain my every other activities that I'm doing here, which is the toilets, because the the sanitary pipe and every other things to be connected and run accurately. So there's no need of changing that position. So I have it like this. So now how am I going to give this space a the befitting designate the area? So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to give a temporary filling so that you will know what are those things. So by the time you continue, so the same pattern will still follow through about our design. So I will go to level 1. From level 1, what I will just copy everything here. Good. And I will say copy to clipboard. Then you come to level, and I will say paste to current view. So everything here joins together is being pasted. So that is that in that area. So every other area that needed that will be completed by itself. So I have this place. So circulation and every other things are being done here. So at this junction as well, I'm going to open this one down, but it's not going to be something that they exit for there on that level again. So I have this one. So let me quickly put the doors so that, or just copy the door from ground floor since we are seeing them the same way. So select this one here, select this, then select one of these, and you see copy to clipboard. Then you come to level 2 and you see align to current view. So you occupy the position, which is where. So I'm going to go to level 1, then I copy the at least one shelf so that I'll be able to do whatever I want to do. Then copy this one. And I'll say copy to clipboard, come to level 1, say paste and align to current view, which is okay. So now we're going to do that, and I will. So these are the places that we have shops from here. I have it here again. And I have another shop, So here it's going to be different case entirely. And this one is going to be different, and this one is going to be different. Now here I'm going to make it an office. So office is going to be here. Office is going to be here. So this space is going to be for control A. Sorry, this is going to be for gym and fitness. Gym / fitness. So I have it here. Then the next is I'm going to have this is going to be like an office again. So I'm going to say Ctrl A, then read that, say office. So I'm still going back to change the kind of office that is going to be. So because it's going to be a very precise office, specific kind of office to be used. So these are the things that I have here. So what I need now is, after this, to create whatever I need to put here as a surfaces to this area. So now this is the way the whole thing is boiling down and look up to. So for me, before I quickly go so that I have the feeling, let me quickly create a, let's say, floor. Yes, so that I have the feelings of let's say curve floor. So now we just like selecting this. So what we do, okay, so this one is going to go with this. I'm going to go with this. Okay, and this is like this. Why this one go this way, this one go this way. This one is going to be coming to the last point because it's going to take that. So there's function for that as for that area. So we're going to do that. So here, and then close this part as well. Then connect this, connect this. So this one is being connected as well. I'll remain this to be connected. Okay. So now what I do here is that because of the way the whole thing looks like, So it's going to give me different kind of feeling entirely. So when I get to that place that I want to, because this place I'm going to put it like having a what is called elevator here. So since that is going to be there, I will have to be very careful the way I conclude that area. So but for now, let us just get what we need to get at that level so that we'll be able to move on. So from here, I'm just going to click here and then double it like this, and then close this one down. So it's just the way you put in. So when you click finish, same thing is missing. So you say, just let's decide to do this here. Close it up, and you click finish. Oh, something is here, you know. So continue. And say finish. Okay, I think it's done. So when you look at it from 3D, this is what you have. So the 3D now is going to systematically work on some areas where we're going to develop everything accurately. So well, before then, I'm going to like bring this one down. So copy this one to clipboard so that I'll be able to use to replicate what I have on ground. So I'm going to say level 1, and then you say paste. Align to the same, align to the current view. So edit this. So I'm going to like getting this done. So I'm going to click like that, and I'll just like close this up, then in between lines to be gone. So this is gone. So I still have maintained what I have maintained on the ground floor. So 3D again, and you see that the whole thing is here now. So it's not finished yet. So we are going to work on this by creating so many area that, so you can imagine the way this place looks like. So something bigger and better is coming up around this level. So this is at the office, and these are the demarcation that I have. So the other thing we are going to do, because another floor is still coming up, so but when we want to do that, we do the needful by creating that. So that is just the design for now, and that is what we are saying by developing this to the way they should be. So by the time we are looking at it from the elevations, so that the elevation are given shape, so we're going to rectify the elevation by dealing with them in a bigger way. So time for watching. See you in the next tutorial. God bless you.